What is up, guys? Back in another video. We're going to go over on how exactly you can go ahead and get on your computer for Windows 10 and optimize it as best as possible. Now the first thing we're going to do is your program files. Now if we go to search up program, we should get the first list to show all the programs that we have in the computer. Basically any program that you don't feel like you need or don't feel like that you want anymore, basically go ahead and get rid of them. Now after that, we're going to go ahead and after you finish it off, go ahead and get rid of all your programs. We're going to go to clean. We're going to do disk cleanup. Disk cleanup is the best way of getting rid of all the temp files, all the temporary files, all the unnecessary files that are built up inside your computer. This will wipe it clean and get rid of them so that you don't have them anymore. So basically, you're going to also want to clean up the system cache. If you want to, you can also get rid of the system restore points, which I'm quite sure on Windows 10 there is no system restore. And this is something else. I'm actually trying to wait for it to load up, but it's just taking forever. And then after that, we're going to go Windows R. We're going to put in MS config. And then we're going to go all the way down to boot. Oh, as you can see, we have a bunch of stuff in here that we need to get rid of. Let's clean up all the system files. But advanced options and choose number of cores. Now normally it would be like this. You would only have like one core. We're going to want to put more than one core onto the system process, but normally I would give my games the cores. So this isn't good for people who are playing games. Go ahead and click OK, apply, OK, and then you're going to have to restart your computer. Now the thing is that is only good for people who don't do gaming. It's good for people who do other things than just gaming. Gamers are going to need to put majority of their cores into games so that they would run faster and give them a pretty good graphics card. Now if you want to make your loading speed, like you want your computer to start up faster, you're going to need to go ahead and go to Task Manager on Windows 10, go to Startup, and then we're going to need to disable all the stuff you don't want. So like Google Drive, I definitely want to have open when it pops up, but like my Logitech camera, I don't want OneDrive loaded up. I don't want Logitech loaded up. I don't want Steam loaded up. I don't even want any of this other stuff loaded up because it's completely useless for me to even have loaded up in the first place. Now as you can see, I have all this stuff to delete, so click OK, delete files, and it's not even that many files, so it shouldn't even take that long to clean up. And after once it's done, then I think that's just about it to do. So this, I'll tell you in the end, since it's not really working too much for me, but it might work for you. So we're going to go to power settings, go additional power settings, and put to high performance. This will make your computer put more pressure onto the CPU and onto the GPU, making everything run faster. We can also disable certain animations. So if we go down to display settings, and we go all the way down to advanced display settings, and we go to, and that's not it, go personalization. That's definitely not it either. Colors, no, I don't think it's colors. Lock screen, nope. Scratch screen, nope. I think it's in display settings. I'm getting it confused from something else. I'm quite sure. Display adapter, text and size on similar items. No. Color calibration, clear text and sounds. Display adapter properties. Probably not. No. Okay, so since that isn't showing up, I have another way of making it show up. Okay, go to appearance personalization. Where are you? Sound effects, personalization. Where are you? I think it's in display. Nope. Background, nope. 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 Maybe this one. Nope. Where is it? Oh, that one isn't exactly much of a big deal to deal with. We're gonna need to go to ease of access though, and then we're gonna go to ease of access center.
Always scan this section.
Shut up. Now, let's go over without display, make display easier. Yes, let's go to that one, make display easier. Go all the way, scroll down to the bottom, and then click turn off all unnecessary animations when possible. What this will do is that majority of the animations that exist within Microsoft or inside your operating system, it will basically disable them from showing up when it's not necessary. It can also remove background images and whatnot. This is actually supposed to be people who can't handle the animations because of their eyes, but you can also use it to take advantage of making your system faster, because whenever it's available for disabling those certain animations, it will get rid of those animations. That is really about it on making your computer faster. I don't really care about the animations personally, because I kind of like it to be there. But for people who are pretty picky and really want their computer to run faster, then I would go ahead and turn it on. The reason why it's going unresponsive is probably because of the fact that I'm changing a pretty big aspect of Explorer to basically ditch its animation.
Always scan this section.
Shut up! So, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Hit up a like, hit the subscribe button, and if you want more videos, leave a comment on what kind of video you want me to make, and I'll probably get back to you as soon as possible on whether or not if I'm available to make it. So I want to actually give a shout out to one of my subscribers for actually mentioning this video, saying that, hey, I was wondering if you can make this video. I'm actually going to shout him out for it. What was his name? I'm so sorry. I can't exactly remember what your name is. But I actually did want to shout you out originally, but I accidentally forgot what your real name is. Obviously, you guys won't be able to see any leaked out. His name is Evan Serrano. That's where it is, Evan Serrano. So you can basically say thanks to him. He'll probably say something in the comments about how I posted up this video. Thanks, Evan Serrano, for supporting my channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.